guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? And you know what, it has been a minute since we have done a jewelry haul, right? So today we are here to do a jewelry haul. I have some stuff over here that I want to share with you. Okay, I have some jewelry from JEWELSMARS, and I remember I did one haul I think around like 1 year ago, and it was high time I needed to do another one, and today we have that. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Let's go. So basically, I got stuff from JEWELSMARS, which if you don't know, it's like an Instagram store. Okay, and I have been following this page for like many years now, and I have got stuff from there badi baar. And I would say I don't mind this shop at all. Like, theek hai, I really like this page for the price they provide quality, it is good. There has been no problem ever, right? So that is that. You know what, I have a lot of earrings is what I have got the mostly, क्योंकि मुझे earrings ही लेने थे office wear के लिए mostly. But then I found a few things that I wanted, which were hair ties, rubber bands, and I got them as well. So उससे शुरू करते हैं. First is this scrunchie. This is a, what do you call this? This is a bandana organza scrunchie. So this is an organza kind of cloth, right? You know organza stuff. So ये organza वाली scrunchie है, which is very pretty. Like you can see the boundaries and everything. Like बहुत अच्छा सा border है, and it is cute. Okay, this is cute. It's cute pink color, and this one also 59 rupees, and it is available in many colors. So this is the type of scrunchie. Oh, it's not like होती है ना, कई बार scrunchies बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ी होती हैं, and you have to just twist and twist them in your hair. It's not like that. It is not like बहुत बड़ी. It is like a fair size, and I think मेरे hair में बहुत आराम से आ जाएगी, and I really like it. Okay, if you like these type of scrunchies, you can definitely go for some other color, and अगर ये मुझे अच्छी लगी तो I might just get many more colors in this particular thing. So first of all was this one. हेयर टाइज का ही सिलसिला आगे जारी रखते हुए I will get you this. आगे सेम हेयर टाइज में ही मैंने ये चीज ली है. These are hair ties, jar tubes, shade of pastel. So मैंने pastel color की बहुत सारी हेयर टाइज मंगवाई हैं. Now these hair ties, let me show you. These are very I would say that these are very soft. Okay, now as of lately मुझे ना suddenly ये issue होने लग गया है that I have headaches. Like I have hell lot of headaches हर रोज almost. Sometimes it's because of sinus, sometimes it's because of something else, and मुझे constantly headaches चलते ही रहते हैं. So when I tie my hair, और वो बहुत ज़्यादा tight rubber band होता है ना, that causes headache again. Okay, वो भी सिरदर्दी करता है. So this is a softer scrunchie, and I wanted that only, and it is in many colors, and I think a girl can never have enough of hair ties. Okay, हमेशा गुम ही होती रहती हैं. So that is that. So this was a pack of, how many were these? These are pack of 12 plus 8. It is 20 for 99 rupees. Like 100 रुपए में 20 scrunchies, which is good. Like 5 रुपए की एक is not a bad price. So this is this, and I really like this as well. Okay, now let's come to the jewelry part, and let's start with what I'm wearing. So this is a set of, I guess these are like mismatch earrings. Can you see? This is how it is. This I'll put pictures over here for you to see वो कैसे लगते हैं. So if I'm not wrong, this should be, these are Korean mismatch star heartbeat earring, and these are for 180 rupees, and these are mismatched. Like ये अलग है, ये अलग है, and I kind of like mismatched earrings. Like it gives mysterious. Okay, so this is this, and I really like them. Like these are cute, these are good. Okay, मतलब इसमें pearls भी हैं, stud भी, like यहाँ पे stone भी है. It has a lot of things happening to it, and in just 180 rupees, I think it was a really good pair. I really like this. Okay. Then we have Korean classy pearl stud earrings. So these are simple earrings. You know, as I said कि मैं office wear के लिए ज़्यादा prefer कर रही थी. So this is that. These are very simple earrings, very simple in the ear. बहुत ज़्यादा blingy नहीं, and nothing in your face. बहुत simple से हैं. And quality wise, it is good. Like yeah. And these are for 99 rupees. Like 100 rupees में क्या बुरे हैं. They have a pearl. They have so many stones in there, and I think it is a cute pair of earrings. By the way, so that is that. Okay, then we have butterfly ear cuffs. Is it? Yeah, again for 99 rupees, and this is how it looks. Now this is a ear cuff. पे आपको ये वाला डालना है अपनी इस वाली piercing में, and this will go up ear cuff की तरह, and you have to just put it over here. Now I already have 3 piercings, and इसके लिए वैसे जगह नहीं है मेरे पास, but you know what, you can never have enough of piercings and enough of earrings and ear cuffs and whatnot. So this is this, right? Again, it is very cute. I think the quality of this is also good. Like, मुझे बिल्कुल भी trashy नहीं लग रहे. It is good. It is sturdy, it is cute, and again for 99 rupees I would totally buy these. Like, if you are somebody who loves ear cuffs and all those fancy things, this is definitely your tea. Okay, next up we have, this is the ear cuff. Now, this is a very plain ear cuff. There is no piercing required. This is how it looks, almost like a ring. Can you see? Now the problem with this is I tried wearing this. Okay, now this, for some reason, you know, what? Okay, this is very tight and hard. Okay, and problem ये है कि it is really hard to fix. मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि मैं इसको ज़्यादा वो करूँगी ना तो ये टूट जाएगा. Okay, so this is how it looks. See, this is falling because मैं इसको fix ही नहीं कर पा रही हूँ. Because मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि अगर मैं इसको ज़्यादा वो करूँगी ना ये टूट जाएगा. This is this. It is not staying. But this is how it looks. I think it is cute. I mean, if you just look at it, just look to say, does this not give hot? It is totally giving hot, and it hurt my ear. Okay, so that is nice about this. But again, मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि ये बहुत ज़्यादा सख्त है. Like, it shouldn't be this hard. So I don't know. Like, I'm having very mixed feelings about it. Not like living for it, but not hating it either. So this is average one, and these were again for 99 rupees. So that is that. Next we have Trendy velvet hoops, and which is this? This is a royal blue color velvet hoop situation. I don't know why I wanted blue color के earrings, because you guys, I love blue color, okay? और मुझे cute लगते हैं blue color के. And see, this is looking so cute. मुझे एक look करना है, you know, blue color का, you know, just blue eyes. So I got this for that. I'm going to do that very soon, and this is for that. And these are really cute. These are really cute. Then we have Korean crystal U-style ear cuffs. I believe that should be this. So these are again ear cuffs. Ear cuffs in the sense that you'll have to actually wear this in one of your piercing, right? इस कान में आएगा. So this will go in your piercing. और ये जो चीज़ है, it will go as an ear cuff. Now I don't know how will I wear this because I already have piercing over here. So ये मेरे को actually 3 piercing वाला look देगा. That would be so cute. Only if it fits in place, okay? So that is that. अगर ये बिल्कुल जगह पे fit हो गया, तो it will give you that 3 piercing वाला look if you have 2 piercings. That is that. Now I definitely feel कि ना इसकी finishing उतनी ज़्यादा clean नहीं है. Like, it is giving a little cheap. You know, it's not giving classy and high fashion. It is giving a little cheap, and this costed for 128 rupees. Like 130 रुपए के हिसाब से I have seen कि वो 90-99 रुपए वाले 100 रुपए वाले इससे ज़्यादा better quality के थे. So that is something that I'm not very fond of in this particular ear piercing, right? But if it looks good, I don't mind. Then we have Korean stylish wavy ear cuff earrings. Korean stylish wavy ear cuff earrings. Okay, again we have ear cuffs. Listen, I just go crazy with ear cuffs. I have a thing. I might just have a problem with this. मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है मुझे निकाल लेना चाहिए और इसकी जगह मुझे पहन के ही दिखा देने चाहिए. So this goes in like this, and then this goes in like this. Oh my god, is this not hot? Look at this. This is actually cute. This is giving, this is serving, this is hot. Okay, do you like this? I really like this. इसे पहले वाले भी पहन के देख लेते हैं फटाफट. So this is how it is. Now this should stay like this, but oh, this is so cute. Oh my god, this is giving. This is giving, okay, right? Then we have combo of 9 earrings. So this should be this, okay? So these are many earrings. 9 hai, as I said, 9 earrings, 9 hai. And you can see, and this is how they look, okay? So these are evil eye ones. Then ye hai like plain hoop mein with a little pearl dangling uske niche. This is more like a knot, like गांठ होती है उस तरह से. And then we have very small, cute little you know, should I say this, piercings. Like ये piercings आप piercings कह रही हूँ, earrings, ये वाले earrings आप अपने किसी भी piercing में डाल सकते हो. You can wear them in this piercing, or you can wear in this piercing, or in this piercing, whatever you like. So I think these are all multi-purpose ones, and I really like them. These look good. Like this is good quality. These are sturdy. मुझे cheap से नहीं लग रहे. I really like that. So this was nice, and these combo of earrings was 9 pair का, ये था 279 rupees का. These were a little costlier than everything else. So these were 279 rupees, and I definitely feel 279 के हिसाब से these are good. Then we have classic hoop combo, and this was for 250 rupees, and these are I believe 4 hoops, 5 hoops. So you can see एक बहुत simple hoop है. Then यहाँ पे थोड़े से knot वाले हैं. Then we have brown color में, then we have neonish में, and then we have pearl में. जिसमें से सिर्फ ये वाले इयररिंग्स जो ये पर्ल वाले हैं वो हैं जो पीछे से बंद होते हैं. अदरवाइज ये सब लाइक कैन यू सी, आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आई मीन. ओके, अगेन इनकी भी क्वालिटी मुझे काफ़ी अच्छी लग रही है एज कम्पेयर टू एवरीथिंग एल्स. बिल्कुल एट पार है. एंड या so I think most of these earrings I do see they are good quality, they are sturdy, they are nice, and I definitely see कि I will wear them throughout आगे, both in office and otherwise in my normal life, because fancy like that. So yeah, that is that. So yes guys, this is it for this video. I will mention the website in the description box for you to check out if you want to check out, and please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll meet you in the next video guys. Bye bye.